As for India, the religion there was pure polytheism, and the number of deities worshipped in India, not the idols, the deities worshipped in India were more than 3 billion. More than 33 crore gods were worshipped in India. Women were considered inferior to men, and they had no right to buy or sell. And after getting married, if the husband dies, she had no right to marry another person. And in fact, the women of the higher caste were asked to burn themselves upon the funeral of their own husbands. This was the condition, the social condition in which India was living. The caste system was a symbol of the social condition of India. The ruling Brahmins had divided the society into 4 parts. The Brahmins, the first part, the first segment, who considered themselves to be above the law, and they were the only ones who had the right to learn the religious scriptures and considered themselves as the chosen ones by God. Then came the Kshatriyas, whose duty was to protect the country and fight in wars. Then came the Vaishya, whose duty was to do business and agriculture. And the major portion of the society were the Shudra, the untouchable, who had no right to education and were considered equal to animals. This caste system was prevalent in India at that point of time. When Islam came, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was born, and it taught the world that differences of race are just for recognition, that this is an Indian, this is an American, this is an Arab. As for the criteria for who is better is nothing but how much you fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What are your deeds? What kind of life are you living? This is the criteria of who is better. As for the different races, they are just a form of recognition which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has placed on this earth.